How to sign up for a Discovery Plus free trial. Discovery Plus offers new subscribers a 7-day free trial to explore its extensive library of content, including shows from HGTV, Food Network, TLC, and more. This trial period allows users to experience the platform's offerings before committing to a subscription. 1. Visit the Discovery Plus website. Navigate to the official Discovery Plus website. 2. Click on Start Free Trial. On the homepage, locate and select the Start Free Trial button to begin the sign-up process. 3. Choose a subscription plan. Discovery Plus offers two main plans, with ads priced at $4.99 per month, ad-free priced at $8.99 per month. Select the plan that best suits your preferences. Create an account. Provide your email address and create a secure password to set up your Discovery Plus account. Enter payment information. Input your credit or debit card details. While the first 7 days are free, your card will be charged if you do not cancel before the trial period ends. 6. Start streaming. Once registered, you can immediately begin exploring and streaming content on Discovery Plus. Remember to mark your calendar with the trial's end date. If you decide not to continue with a paid subscription, ensure you cancel before the 7-day trial concludes to avoid any charges. By following these steps, you can enjoy a week-long free trial of Discovery Plus and determine if it's the right streaming service for you.